If you're a League player who just got Van 1067, don't panic, grab a snack, and let's crush this error together. Here's your ultimate troubleshooting guide. First, restart your PC and the Riot client. Still seeing the error? No worries. Head to Windows Settings, uninstall Riot Vanguard, then open League again. The client will automatically reinstall Vanguard for you. Next up, let's check the VGC service. In the Windows search bar, type Services, open it, find VGC, right-click, hit Properties, set Startup to Automatic, and start the service. Apply, hit OK, and restart. Still no luck? Scan for conflicting software or malware. Run your antivirus, and if you're on Windows 10 or 11, try turning off Defender's real-time protection for a moment. Watch out for programs like Bonjour or National Instruments causing trouble. Finally, update your network. Open Command Prompt as admin, run netsh winsock reset and ipconfig, flushdins, then reboot. If all else fails, check that compatibility mode is off. TPM 2.0 is enabled if you're on Windows 11, and worst case, reach out to Riot support.